In the next part of the tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how you can change the look of your website by using skins and containers. First of all, we'll look at the containers of your website. So far, each of the modules that we have added to this page have used a default container, which is a grey title container. So you can see that each of these modules has a grey title. I'll demonstrate how you can change the containers for each of your modules, but first of all, I'm going to demonstrate how you can remove a container. So first of all, I'm going to remove the container that is displayed around the text HTML module in the right pane. So this will remove the container around the maximum ASP image. To do this, we'll go to the module's settings menu and we'll select settings. Scroll down and at the top you can see we have module title is image. So that's how you can edit the title of a module. There are various functions within here which we cover in detail in further tutorials, but the option we're interested in is in the page settings. So we'll expand this option, and if we scroll down you can see an option for display container. So we'll untick this option, we'll scroll down and we'll then click on update. So you can see currently the container is still displaying, and that's because we are logged in as an administrator and we are in edit mode. If we scroll back up and select view mode, you can see that the container is no longer displayed around the module, and because of this the title of the module is no longer displayed. So all we have in the right pane now is the image, and this is the view that all visitors to your website will see. So let's scroll back up and select the edit mode, and let's now change the grey title container that is displayed on the My First Content text HTML module. So to do this, we'll go to the module's settings menu and we'll select settings. We'll scroll down and we'll expand the page settings. And within here you can see a module container option and a drop-down list. This drop-down list displays all of the containers that are installed in your DotNetNuke portal. And these are the default containers that come with DotNetNuke. So we'll select the minimal XP title blue container. We'll scroll down and we'll click on update. So you can see the container has now changed to a blue title container, and you can see that the title is now in blue. Let's now change the container for the links module in the left pane. So we'll go to the module settings menu and select settings. We'll scroll down. We'll expand page settings. And under module container, this time we'll select the title red container. And we'll scroll down and click on update. So there you can see the links module is now using the red title container. Next, I'm going to demonstrate how to change the overall skin of your website. To do this, you need to go to the admin menu. So we'll go to the admin menu and we'll select site settings. At the top here, you can set the title, description and keywords for your DotNetNuke portal. So these are the title, description and keywords that the search engines will read. So it's important that you enter some details in there. You can also enter the copyright notice here, which will be displayed at the bottom of your default skin. So change the copyright notice here. And now let's scroll down. We'll expand appearance and scroll down. And here you can see we have 4 options. We have portal skin, portal container, edit skin and edit container. The first 2 options that you see here of portal skin and portal container those options set the default skin and default container that all of your pages will use. So first of all, let's select a default portal skin. So we're going to select the index full skin. So this will display the skin across the full width of the page rather than using a fixed width size. And for the default container, you'll see that it is currently set to title gray. So this is why whenever we added a module to a page, the containers were automatically displayed with a gray title. We'll change this to red. Underneath this, the last two options of edit skin and edit container, this is the skin and container that will be displayed when you are administrating your website. So, for example, when you click on the edit text link for the text HTML module and view the FCK editor for adding text content, this is the skin and container that will be displayed on the edit text page. So for this, we'll select the index 1024 skin. So that's a fixed width skin suitable for screens with a resolution of 1024. And for the default container, we'll select blue. All we need to do now is click on the update link here. The page reloads. And if we now go to the home page, you can see that if we scroll down, for the second content module, we did not specify a module container to use, and you can see it is now using the default container of red title. The skin is also using the full width skin, and if we go to edit the content of this module, you'll see that the module now uses the blue title container, and the skin is using the 1024 fixed width skin. You can't tell the difference between the skins in this video because the screen is sized to 1024, but you should get an idea of how this works. It's also possible to change the skin for each of the pages within your website. And if you want further details on how to use skins and containers, refer to issues 5 and 6 of DNN Creative Magazine. Here we demonstrate in detail how skins work and how you can apply them to a page and to modules. It's also easy to create and design your own skins and apply them to your DotNetNuke portal. And we also cover getting started with skinning in issues 5 and 6 of DNN Creative. You can also purchase skins from websites such as snowcovered.com, and there are also several resources around on the net for downloading free skins. If you are looking for further information on skinning, go to the tutorials page on DNN Creative, scroll down, and at the end of the list we have a whole host of skinning tutorials. And from this you should be able to start as a beginner and become an advanced skinning expert.